Hi, my name is Jess and today I'm going to be making a hen's night outfit. So in a couple of weeks my brother is getting married and I'm a bridesmaid. So I'm very excited about that. And a little pre-wedding event is the hen's party, and we're doing a pink theme, a hot pink theme for all of the attendees, and then the bride will be in white. So I'm going to try and make myself a pink outfit using this hot pink fabric. The vibe is kind of like going out but super aesthetic and we'll all look really good in photos together. So I'm gonna go a little bit extra, or at least that's the plan, which is why I got the hot pink. The fabric's got like the tiniest bit of stretch in it, like not a lot, but enough that I'll be like comfortable if it's a form-fitting outfit, but not stretchy enough that if I make pants they'll be able to like just pull up and be like elastic enough on their own. Like I'll have to put a zip in. So I kind of want to recreate like the Kendall Jenner on the yacht kind of all-in-one, and so I'm just gonna like draw a basic sketch now, and then I'll show you the panels that I come up with that I'll need to cut out. So I've just finished sketching everything and all the panels and stuff. So now I know what I need to cut out. I know what I need to measure, all that kind of stuff. So this is what I've got so far. So this is the sketch of what I want it to look like. That's the front, and then that's the back of the top part. It'll all be one, but the back of the bottom will look the same, so I didn't draw that. That's one of the front leg panels, so I'll need 2 of them plus 2 of the back ones. For the pocket, so it takes 2 of those to make 1 pocket, which I will attach one of them to the opposite leg and then sandwich them together. And then this is for the top, so those 2 will come together and tie at the back, and those 2 will come together and tie at the back. And then that will attach to the top of that panel to tie around the neck and make the halter neck, if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do now that I've got all my pieces drawn out is I'm going to start cutting them. So I'm going to start off by doing the pants, and these pants already have like the fit that I want, and so I'm just going to basically trace one of the leg panels on that, and then I'll fold it over, cut 2 of them, and then I'll trace the back leg panel, fold it over, cut 2 of them as well. So I don't have to do any measuring for that. The waist is a little bit big for me on these, but when I trace it I'm just going to do it the exact same way so that I've got a little bit of excess, because it's a bodysuit. I just want to make sure that like I've got a little bit extra fabric just in case, like when I put the zip in or something, I haven't left enough room. Like I will have that extra fabric, and I can always take it in further at the end anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. The top now, so I've got all 4 of my leg panels cut out. So I'm going to measure from where the halter neck will start to just under my arms, and then I'll draw a straight line for where that will be, and then I'm just going to like start the tie sections from that, if that makes sense, and they will take up the whole length of this excess piece because I just would rather have like a larger bow. I would just rather have more fabric to do the bow up at the back with. So measurements wise, I'm going to measure like across how far I want the halter neck to go, and then I'll just draw a straight line across the top here, measure one of those ones, straight line down there, and then just cut those. So I'll fold it in half and cut it so they're exactly the same. I've just finished cutting all the panels, so I'll show you what they look like. So that is the piece that will tie around the halter neck. That is the halter neck with the tie-ups. And then that will attach to the pants part. So they will fold in, like that one will go on top of that, and then that will go on top of that. And sew them all together. One thing that I want to do is I want to put a zip on that side so that I can get it on and off easily. And then on that side I want to put a zipped pocket so that I can like put my phone and stuff in there while I'm walking around, so I don't have to take a bag with me. But yeah, I have to go get the zips, so I'll probably do that now. I got the zips. I got a little bit of a longer one for up the side, and then a slightly shorter one just for the pocket. So what I'm going to do now is pin all the hems and panels together, and then I'll start sewing. I've sewed all of the pieces that I had pinned before down now, and I'm just cutting off the excess for the panels that I've joined together in the pants. That's the only excess I had, everything else was just hemming. So this is them pre-cut and inside out, but once I cut the excess, I'll be able to join the pants to the top. So yeah, I'm just cutting the excess at the moment. So I just attached the pieces, so they're together now. And the next step is like the back of the pants. So all I've got to do is just like hem them over so that I've got a nice clean line rather than the hem line, the raw edge at the back. So to do that, I'm literally just going to fold it in and then pin and sew. So I've just done the back as well. So this is what they look like, all joined together now, hemmed back, and then sewed together there. The final step, the very last one, is I've got to thread this through the halter neck, which shouldn't take too long. Okay. It's been a long day. Actually, I think it's tomorrow. Yeah, it's 2 o'clock the next day. It's done and I'm ready for bed. So I will film the try on tomorrow. Hopefully it looks good because I don't have any time to change it now. I'll see you then. This is how it turned out. I really love it and I'm so excited to wear it. I think it looks really good actually, and the pant part turned out really well. So I'm very excited to see how it lasts through the night. This could be the best thing I've ever made from scratch before. My first time making pants from scratch, and I think they turned out looking really good. It took me quite a while to get them right. I spent probably like 3 hours just like changing little hemlines like around where all 4 seams like join at the crotch, because that is such a complicated little area. So when you like pull it in on one side, it like tugs at different spots, and I didn't know about any of that. So it was very much like a little trial and error for me. I didn't get much of it filmed because my camera died during that whole thing, and so I was like, oh, I'll just film it when it's done. But then it was 2 AM, so I was like not really in the mood, but I think it turned out really, really well. Yeah, let me know what you think. This could be the best one I've done yet, and you'll be able to see it on my Instagram in a couple of weeks' time when I actually wear it to the Hens party. And you'll be able to see all of the other girls' pink outfits as well. Thanks for watching, see you later.